Okay, I have a Lockwood padlock from Johan in Sweden. He had sent this to me a few days ago, and he asked when I was going to pick it, and I told him today. Well, I was thinking that after I told Johan today that he may have done something to this lock, because the lock does work, but the bitting on the key is a 5-pin. So I counted the pins in the lock, and it has 6. So he's added a 6-pin to it. To make it a little bit tougher to open. Well, the lock does work, and it is locked. I have opened this lock twice, once off camera, once on camera, and I've gutted it one time, but the time was just a little bit more than I like. So we're going to do it again. So let's put it in the vise and open it up and see what kind of pins are in the lock. Since I already know what kind of pins are in it, since I have picked it and gutted it once, so let's do it again. Okay, let's go all the way to the back. We're going to use this pick to start with. I will change picks. Let's go all the way to the back and get under that pin 6. Now we've got to set the pins just right, or okay, there's pin 6, and okay, well, we'll set pin 5 then. See if we can redo this. Got to get under that pin just right. Okay, I think we got it set then. And we're always going to go to the back and check to make sure pin 5 and 6 is still set. Okay, there's a little bit on 2. Okay, now we got pin 3, I believe, giving us some feedback. Nothing on pin 3 then. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 3. We got it that time. Okay, let's check the back again, because I think pin 4 might have dropped. Okay, pin 4 did drop. Okay, there's pin 2. A little bit on pin 1. See if we can get a little bit more out of pin 1. Okay, there's a little bit more on pin 1. Let's go to the back. Okay, a little bit out of pin 1 again for some reason. Alright, now let's change picks. We're going to use this pick. Let's go to the back. Check all of our pins again, all the way front to the front. Sounds like we may have dropped a pin. Let's try the other pick. There's one pin that's not setting properly for some reason. Let me start at the back again. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, let's gut it, see what's in it. I've already gutted this thing once, so let's gut it again and see what kind of pins are in this lock. Alright, come on. Okay, I know it has all standard pins in the bottom. Okay, the tail piece fell off. Alright. Get this around here where we can see. Alright, my pins I dumped out part of them, so anyway, that's alright. I'll figure it out on the bottom pins. Anyway, we know there's 6 pins in the bottom. Okay, one thing I don't remember is whether this pin was in 6 or 1 when I gutted it before. Wait a minute, we'll put that in number 6 right now. That's the way it come out this time. We'll take a closer look at the pins, but they're all spools, except for that last one is a trampoline pin. Okay, let's see if we can take a close look at the pins. Anyway, this is going to be my last time of gutting it and picking it and gutting it. Okay, we got all these little shallow type spools in the top on the last 3. We've got the same thing, a shallow type spool in these, and then we got a trampoline pin type here in this one. And this is not even a key pin, but Johan has a devious mind and he uses something like this for a key pin. Anyway, we did pick it whether it's right or wrong. It is there. Alright, Johan, I appreciate you sending me this lock. Thank you very much. I don't remember when I got it the first time whether this pin was here or here, but we're gonna call it here. Okay, thank you. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you again.